Hello everyone and welcome to PC Solutions. Today we will see how to configure Windows 11 after installing it without a Microsoft account. And it is known that in recent times Microsoft has done everything to try to prevent people from using both Windows 10 and 11 without connecting to a Microsoft account. As of today, which is June 2024, it is still possible to configure Windows 11 after installation without a Microsoft account. I mean simply with a local account. Now we will see how to do it. First of all, on the first startup, this screen will appear. It is important that your PC is not connected to the internet. I am currently using VirtualBox, but I have disabled the network card. Let's proceed with the configuration. Here we go. Now it will search for updates and see that there is no network. As you can see, it asks me if I have connection problems and says that an internet connection is required. At this point, where there seems to be no solution, we press Shift and F10 on the keyboard. And a command prompt will open. In this prompt, we will type we press Enter and the PC will restart. Once restarted, we will find ourselves back at the beginning of the configuration, but this time, if we continue, we move forward. At this point, when it searches for updates, a new button will appear that will allow us to skip this recognition step using the Microsoft account, simply by pressing I have no internet and then continue with the limited installation. We will be able to set up a regular local account even without a password. And here we are, the step of recognition via Microsoft account is bypassed. Now it will be sufficient to finish the normal Windows setup. And in a few minutes, we will have functioning Windows. Naturally, right after we enable the network. To get the latest updates, and I hope I have been helpful. That's all for today. Subscribe to the channel for more PC solutions. Comment if you have any doubts and leave a like if I managed to solve a problem for you.